Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Ed. Please subscribe, it's totally free to do so. And don't forget to tap that thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks. So this is how I'm starting my morning. They're a black sea bass, just undersized, but it's a good way to start. You know, while I wait for some surface activity. See ya. And another one. There it is. They are kind of over there, a little bit. But then we can't see behind us because it's dark. Oh, damn it, I missed him. Oh, am I? Yep, he's on. Oh, I'm wrapped up. He probably came off now. Yeah, he came off. Let's drop that back down. I don't know what happened there.
Current's going one way and the wind's going the other. It's like perfect.
Yeah, it's keeping us in place. Oh, yeah. Oh, he came off. On it. Oh, damn it. There he is. Oh, popped off right there. Quick release. All right. Dropped him. Oh, dropped him. Yeah, got him that time. Oh my God, dude. What is this? Ah, oh, good sea bass, keeper. That might keep. All right, 17 inches. They gotta be 16 and a half to keep, so this is a keeper. Sweet, and they taste great.
There you go.
Yep. About to find out what they are right now.
Bulldog is either like a blue or a bad. Striper.
Yes. That's what I want to know. You got a bonita? Sweet. Oh, tight. Oh yeah. I don't know yet. Ooh. Am I recording? Woo! Yes, sir. Whatever this is, it's freaking good. Am I gaining anything, dude? Oh my God. Oh my God, what is this? Bonita! A good bonito! And I snagged it!
34.32 minutes.
Woo!
071 degrees west. The barge is restricted in its ability. All vessels transiting the area. Safety vessel Mr. Marco is standing by on VHF channels 16, 13, 80 Alpha, 1080. Out.
This is crazy! Right here! Oh, oh, there he is! Dude, bonito! Yeah, small one there. This one's littler. I'm sorry, smaller I meant. Who's that, Dustin? That's Dustin? Yeah. Yeah, I got a large and a medium. Oh my God.
What?
Yeah. Dude, I was trolling that crab.
They're aggressive today, man.
That's why I wasn't sure. I thought I was stuck on a rock or something. It's a big sea bass.
Oh, that's a decent one. Let go.
Yeah, that looks...
Bigger than the other one.
Yeah, so it definitely goes. Oh, damn. Yeah, I didn't even know it. Like I didn't even feel him hit it. Yeah, sea bass territory, man. Yeah. Caught a trigger.
That's a good way to.
Nice. Sweet.
On a tog jig. Whoa, you can measure it if you want.
Yeah, he looks like
Maybe a little. Maybe a little.
17. That's not bad. Yeah, it's my lunch. When we get back, I'll probably grill him right up. Woo! Another keeper sea bass. Pulling drag, dude. What the hell is pulling drag like that? Oh my God, another keeper sea bass, dude. This is the biggest one yet. Oh my God, bro. Awesome. This is a tank. Where, oh, oh. Oh, woo. I know, yeah. All right, you're only allowed to keep 3, and this is 4. So I donated one to a fellow kayaker in order to keep this one. This is a really nice one. And just like tog, they're great to eat. I love black sea bass. Look at that. Oh, I guess the black sea bass don't love me back. All right, the sea bass got me with one of his spines, so now I gotta check and make sure it's not embedded in my finger. This does happen often, and it's very painful. This hand has had its fair share of bad luck. Prior to my surgery, I got stuck by two striper spines, and I didn't know they were in there, but they were in there for like 2 weeks. My hand was blown up, it was purple, and it was getting infected. So I went into urgent care, and they took an x-ray, and sure enough, there was two striper spines in there. So they put about 5 shots into my hand to numb it, made an incision, and pulled them out, and gave me one for a souvenir. They were pretty big. I'll talk more about why I had surgery on my hand recently on a separate video. So if you're curious, stay tuned for that. Here's a picture of one of the spines that was riding my hand for 2 weeks. It's kind of sickening. What is this? There's a toggy. Yeah. A little short. Oh! What the freak was that? I want to slow motion that to see what it was. It was either, it was black, so it was a black sea bass or a tatar. Oh, that's funny. Dude, all those fish went airborne, bro. Oh. Yeah, they're eating peanut bunker. I just got a good look at it now. Tight. I did not know my camera was on, and I accidentally turned it off thinking I was turning it on, but I did catch two. Relax. This guy's spazzing out. Relax, dude. Oh. Yeah. No, on epoxy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yup. Jigging the bottom. Oh, sea bass though. All right, this one's gonna wrap it up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It's totally free to do so. Hit that thumbs up icon if you will. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and stay hooked, anglers. See you on the next one.